In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change avatar in Perplexity AI. If you want to personalize your account and make your profile a little easier to recognize, updating your avatar is a quick and simple change. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Perplexity AI account and looking at the main interface. Once you're there, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is the starting point for accessing your account options and personal settings. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, click on All Settings. This will open the full settings area for your account where you can manage different preferences and profile details. If you don't immediately see the section you need, don't worry. Just stay in the settings page and look for the account-related options. Next, find and click on Change Avatar. This is the option that allows you to update your current profile image. Once selected, Perplexity AI will prompt you to upload a new picture from your device. This is where you can replace your existing avatar with an image that better represents you or your brand. Now, choose a picture from your files. Browse through your computer or device storage and select the image you want to use. It's a good idea to pick a clear photo that looks good at a smaller size, since profile avatars are usually displayed in a compact format. If possible, use an image that is well lit and centered, so it appears clean and professional once uploaded. After selecting the file, Perplexity AI should apply the new avatar to your account. Depending on the platform behavior, the change may appear immediately or take a moment to refresh. If you don't see it right away, try waiting a few seconds or refreshing the page. And that's all it takes. You just click your profile in the lower left corner, open All Settings, select Change Avatar, and choose a picture from your files. It's a very straightforward process, and once done, your profile will have a more personalized look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your avatar in Perplexity AI.